hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Khushi and happy Ganesh Chaturthi in advance. I hope your Ganesh Chaturthi went very well. Yeah, so let's today create a Ganesh Chaturthi inspired makeup look. So we are doing today Maharashtrian Marathi kind of look. So not further ado, let's get into the video. So I just washed my face and this is my bare skin. You can see. So firstly I'm applying this moisturizer. This is Pond's moisturizer. Pond's super light gel moisturizer. This works very well to my skin, and yeah, you can see how hydrate my face feels after you. Okay. So just ignore my hairs, this is a bit messy. I have to style them later. So for extra hydration or to prime my face, I'm using this Fashion Color Primer Oil. This is my absolute favorite oil. Like this gives me a glass effect finish. Like I'm not kidding, just see this. Like this is the bare skin. This looks super pretty. So foundation, I'm using this Maybelline New York foundation in the shade 220 Natural Beige. So I'm taking this foundation and applying. So guys, what's your Ganesh Chaturthi plan and what's your like I know festivals around the corner. So in festivals का क्या क्या करने वाले हो, क्या क्या पहनने वाले हो? I want to know. And if you want, like I'll create a lookbook for the upcoming Navratri festival. I'm very happy to create that because I usually enjoy Navratri the most, and if you want, then just comment down. I'll surely put. You see the finish of this foundation, and जो मैंने primer oil लगाया था उससे भी glow सारा उसका दिख रहा है. It's look amazing. This is Swiss Beauty concealer. Using this my glass face setting powder. So I'm using this concealer as an eyelid. So I'm using this Mars palette and then I'm topping this with this Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow. and just wait for, I'll just get ready like for Marathi look. See you soon. So yeah guys, this is my final finished look. I hope you like it. I try my level best to create this Maharashtrian kind of look, and I don't know if this is typical Maharashtrian, but I tried my best, and I want you to give me reviews in the comment section. Do you like this look or not? And this looks pretty to me. Like, this is very wearable kind of makeup look, so you can wear this in any party function, and yeah, of course in this festival season too. और जाने से पहले guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and share with your family and friends. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.